There's some big news related to Indian football. Neymar Jr. got into a huge mess. And Vinny Jr. signed a massive contract with Real Madrid. Yeah guys, about a month ago, you might remember Ranjit Bajaj made a big appeal to the AIFF. He asked to be given charge of India's under-15 team for the 2026 U15 World Cup. Ranjit Bajaj said that if he's given full freedom and his own coaching staff, he can lead Team India to win the World Cup trophy. Well, related to this, yesterday, there was news that the AIFF officially appointed Ranjit Bajaj as the team manager of India's under-15 men's national team. He was set to take on the team manager role for Team India at the inaugural FIFA Under-15 World Cup and Festival in Azerbaijan. But along with that, there was also a report that the All India Football Federation picked Bibiano Fernandes as the head coach. After that, an update came saying that Ranjit Bajaj declined the role again. According to reports, he didn't want to work with Bibiano Fernandes because there are quite a few differences in footballing styles. Ranjit Bajaj prefers a high-press attacking football, while Bibiano Fernandes likes to go with a defensive approach. Let's see what updates come on this. Meanwhile, Brazil's football star Neymar has once again gotten into big controversy. This whole issue came up after the second leg of the Copa Brazil round of 16 match between Remo and Santos. In this match, Santos beat Remo 1-0 to qualify for the quarter-finals. But the atmosphere inside the tunnel after the match it got pretty heated. A video of Neymar went viral, where he was seen really provoking Remo's president, fans, and coaching staff. In fact, he was shouting loudly, "Eliminated! Eliminated!" Neymar's behavior got a lot of criticism on social media. But according to some reports, during the match, Neymar faced constant booing and abusive chants from the fans in the stadium. And actually, those chants kept going even after the final whistle. So some people were even supporting Neymar, saying that if you frustrate someone during a match, of course there's going to be a reaction afterward. But Remo's president, Antonio Carlos, heavily criticized Neymar's behavior. He called Neymar a bomb and accused him of showing complete disrespect. He said Remo's campaign was really impressive, but now it feels like we were wronged. Santos didn't need this kind of thing. And here comes Neymar, the guy so many kids look up to, doing all this clowning around, and then starting to provoke us. We were at fault too. We end up making people like him our idol. Vinicius Jr. has officially signed his new contract with Real Madrid. His contract is now extended until June 2032. This new 6-year deal is officially confirmed. After signing, Vinicius reacted too, saying the 8 years he spent at the Bernabeu felt really short. Now 6 more years, and then forever with Real Madrid.